I'm sure you'd agree it's not always easy to choose and then wire up a lamp holder that you've never used before. I promise you that once you've watched through this video, you'll know everything you need to know about how to use this lamp holder straight away. Hello, I'm Laurie Smith, and in this video I want to demonstrate this ES shoulder lamp holder. In this video I will tell you what to expect when your lamp holder arrives, how to unassemble it, wire it up, reassemble it, so let's get started. So here is the lamp holder and this is how it arrives. So we'll put the skirt to one side, take out the insert, and we've got the base. Notice the base has an earth terminal, so we're going to wire up a little candlestick lamp. We've got a 10mm thread on the lamp holder ready to go. I've prepared the ends before, and we tighten the lamp holder down onto the 10mm thread till it can go no further, and then we're going to tighten this locking screw. Very important that this is locked down because it prevents the bulb holder from unscrewing. Next, we will take the shortest wire, which in this case is the earth wire, and we're going to put that into the earth terminal. Hold it there, and I'll get my screwdriver and again tighten that. Next, we wire the brown wire into the central pin. Tighten that down, ensuring that no copper is showing. And then finally, the neutral wire. Now we align it with the space in the base of the lamp holder, and then I get the skirt, hold my finger to hold the insert in place, and then turn the skirt clockwise onto the base. Now I carry on until you hear the locking mechanism. There we are. That's the locking ratchet mechanism, locking down until you can go no further, and there you have your lamp holder ready to go. So this is an Edison screw lamp holder, E27 thread, and it has the 10mm entry, but what's useful about this particular lamp holder is it has a shoulder inbuilt into the body of the lamp. When we're attaching a shade, I've got a shade carrier here, you simply rest it in, and you only require one shade ring to hold it into place, so it makes a neater fixing. This lamp holder comes in two options. We've got the black and the white and the corresponding shade rings. If you've decided this fitting is for you, you can purchase it here or from one of our distributors. If not, you can view our other similar lamp holders. Please do get in touch with us if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.